you struggling with sluggish mornings or stubborn bloating? Today, I'm revealing Nonna Tina's 10-second ritual that transformed my gut health. And it's hiding in your kitchen right now. In this video, you will learn how chia seeds soaked in lemon water can flood your body with energy, calm your digestion, and unlock that inner glow everyone keeps talking about. Ciao belly! I'm Nonna Tina from Italy. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share natural home remedies passed down through generations. Stick with me if you want to heal the body the old-fashioned way. Now picture this. These tiny seeds, they're powerhouses of nature. Chia seeds come from Salvia hispanica, a plant so revered the ancient Aztecs fueled warriors and kings with them for unshakable stamina. But in my Nonna's kitchen, they're magic for soothing stubborn tummies and giving your skin that molto bella glow. Think of them as Nonna Tina's secret little helpers, tiny in size but mighty where it counts. These little seeds are bursting with omega-3s, calcium, and protein. In fact, chia's got more calcium than milk and packs a bigger omega-3 punch than some fish. And here's the magic. They soothe your digestion, fuel you with steady energy all day, and keep your skin radiant, nails unbreakable, and your core, that's heart, ticking like a happy clock. Even my doctor says, Nonna, they're nature's tiny multivitamin. So why swallow pills when you can sprinkle chia magic instead? If you're wondering how to use chia seeds, listen close. Never skip the soak. Dry seeds? Mamma mia, they cling like overcooked spaghetti. Here's how I do it. Take 1 spoon of chia seeds. Add a splash of water. Let them swirl and bloom like tiny clouds for 10 minutes. And finish with a lemon squeeze, proprio così, looking for a dolce vita twist. If so, add a spoonful of honey or a dash of cinnamon like sunshine and spice. And a little secret, warm water helps the chia seeds bloom perfetto. And voila! Your chia lemon morning magic is ready. Gentle on your belly, keeps things moving, and gives your body the perfect fresh start. The best drink to feel well every day. Thank you for watching. I hope you love this remedy as much as I love sharing it with you. If this video helped you, fammi un favore. Smash that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe. Also, tap the bell so you never miss Nonna's healing secrets. Before you go, please write in the comments, what remedies do you need from Nonna Tina next? Until next time, stay well, and remember, Nonna's kitchen always has another secret waiting. Ciao.